Myself Prashant Patel. I am the faculty of Life Science Academy. Today we discuss about shuttle systems which normally operate to transfer NADH concentration from systolic region to mitochondrial matrix. So because of this NADH concentration, this system run. Okay, it runs from systolic region to the mitochondrial matrix. So now we discuss about this shuttle system. This shuttle system operates in intermembrane space of the mitochondrial membrane, where NADH moves from systolic region to the and passes to the outer membrane to intermembrane space. When it comes into the inside the intermembrane space, it oxidized into NAD, that is the reducing agent, and this one is oxidizing agent, with the liberation of 1 mole of protons in the presence of malate dehydrogenase. It degrades oxaloacetate into malate. Because oxaloacetate is not permeable to this inner membrane, that's why this conversion is necessary into malate. I mean to say, oxaloacetate is converted into malate because malate is permeable to this transporter protein called malate alpha ketoglutarate transporter. This is a kind of protein which provides a path to malate to pass this malate into the intermembrane space to the inner membrane. Now, when the malate passes from intermembrane space to the inner membrane through this transporter protein, now it again oxidized into oxaloacetate with the help of this coenzyme NAD into NADH. Now oxaloacetate again react with glutamate. The side product of this reaction is alpha ketoglutarate, and the main product is aspartate. Now again aspartate moves into the intermembrane space from inner membrane through this transporter channel protein. When this aspartate again moves into the intermembrane space, again aspartate react with alpha ketoglutarate and generate two kinds of products. One is glutamate and another one is oxaloacetate with the help of enzyme alpha amino transferase, and this kind of reaction is called transamination reaction with the liberation of 1 ammonium ions and conversion of simultaneously aspartate or aspartic acid or aspartate into oxaloacetate. Then again oxaloacetate moves converted into malate, and simultaneously whole the reaction moves as the oxaloacetate formed via this aspartate. This cycle is moving continuously and supply a pair of electrons to the respiratory chain, that is ETC. Okay. Now we discuss about when the NADH is oxidized to NAD positive, that is oxidizing agent, and this is the reducing agent. How many moles of ATP is synthesized? Now looking this stoichiometric reaction, which is governed which is governed by this kind of shuttle system. When this NADH oxidizes into NAD positive, it produces 2.5 ATP. In more elaborate sense, it or stoichiometric reaction, or manipulating this kind of reaction to know the perfect production of 2.5 ATP, where we get 2.5 ATP. So from, you can say like that ki if 4 NADH is oxidized and per 2 protons 10 protons is liberated. So if we cut out this reaction by dividing by 2, then we calculate easily 2.5 ATP is produced. 10 per NADH, it means per NADH 10 pair of protons is liberated, and if we cancel out this thing by 2, then it produces 2.5 ATP. This is the another method through which we can know the 2.8 ATP is produced. Okay, so the key point of this reaction, where this reaction is operated, either usually this malate aspartate shuttle is operated in animal cells, but where it is actually occur in liver, heart and kidney. But what is the cell organelle responsible for to operate this kind of shuttle system? That is mitochondria. In these organs, mitochondria is there, where this kind of malate aspartate shuttle system is operated. Okay, and utility of this shuttle system is what? It transfer the electrons when oxaloacetate converted into malate, and via this protein, transporter protein, it comes back into the inner membrane, and when this malate converted into oxaloacetate, again it recycle back into the aspartate, and aspartate is permeable to this transporter protein, again it form a oxaloacetate. During this cycle, it liberates a pair of electrons which go into the respiratory chain and generate a ATP to perform any kind of metabolic activity by the cell. Okay, further details about this shuttle system we will discuss about in next slide. So you can contact on this topic to the Life Science Academy. Our contact address is 9956776133, and another contact number is 8573971856. Last is 914840889346. On this you can contact us. Okay, thank you.